Hey guys. So I'm going to ask, are the lines perpendicular? Okay. I want to tell whether the lines containing each pair of points are perpendicular. Okay. So these 2 points are going to form a line. And these 2 points are going to form a line. I want to know, are they perpendicular lines? Well, the way I do that is I find the slope. All right, let's be reminded that the slope, right, represented by m, is y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. All right, and this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, and this is y2. All right, so I'm going to plug these in. I'm going to replace my variables with actual numbers here, okay? So y1 is -1 minus y2, so minus y2 is 2, over x1, which is 1, minus x2, which is 0. Okay? So -1 minus 2 is -3. 1 minus 0 is 1. So my slope, -3 divided by 1 is -3. So this slope is -3. Okay? So I'm going to come over here and do the same thing over here. I have my slope is y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. So I'm going to relabel these, or label these ones here. I got x1 and y1. I got x2 and y2. Okay? So I'm going to plug these into the same equation here. So y1 is 0, minus y2 is 1, over x1, which is -1, minus x2, which is 2. So 0 minus 1, that's -1. -1 minus 2 is -3. All right. A negative over a negative is a positive. Okay? So we leave this as 1 over 3. This is not 3, because the 3 would have to be on top if it was 3. This is actually 1 over 3. So -1 over -3 is equal to 1 over 3. So 1/3. So this slope is 1/3. Now, this line has a slope of -3. This slope has a line of 1/3. These two numbers are opposite reciprocals of each other, because if I flipped this, remember, if I flipped this, it would be 3 over 1, right? And then the opposite would be -3 over 1. Well, -3 divided by 1 is -3. So these two numbers are opposite reciprocals of each other. So we would say that these two lines are perpendicular.